Hi there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to create business page on Facebook. So for this, go to Facebook and open the app. Now log into your account. Now click on your profile on the top right corner and from here scroll down. Click on see more here and then scroll down again. At the end, we have the pages option. Click on pages here. Now click on the create option on the top left corner. So click on create and we want a public page. So go with public page and click on next. From here, name your page like this and then click on next. As you click on next, now here you need to choose a category which best describes your page. I will go with marketing agency here. I will go with product services, personal blog, like whatever you want, you can add up to 3 categories here. Then click on next. Here it may take few seconds and then click on promote your product services or you can go with create content and connect with fans. Click on continue. Now you need to upload a video or a pictures of your brand. Firstly, add the bio for your page, then add a website, email, phone number where people can connect, and then the address. Also add a city or town and then zip code. After that, click on next. Okay, next you need to add a profile picture here and the background image. So once you add all these images here, then click on next. Okay, now choose your account here or if you want, then click on next. Again, click on next. Okay, now here we have marketing and promotional emails and then we have page notification on your profile. So I will go with this one here and click on next. Okay, so now the your business page is ready. In this way, you can create business page on Facebook. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.